up, what up, what up? Welcome back to the table where everybody eat. Y'all know what to do. Hit that like button for your boy. And if it's your first time to the channel, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you miss out on the plays updates we bring to you guys each and every day in the market. Now, the last time I was here with Navitas Semiconductor Corporation, ticker symbol NVTS, we was trading around this range. Actually, we was trading beneath the $8 range. And this stock had ran up not that far or not that much longer after up as high as I think like 16, maybe even $17 since that last video. And now with us pulling back after the market has sold off slightly, not many large cap or mega cap or blue chip stocks sold off that much besides the likes of, let's just say, maybe Meta. But a lot of the small cap stocks, penny stocks, the little non-profitable speculative plays like Navitas Semiconductor have all pulled back to the areas before their massive breakout, and some have even pulled back even lower than the areas they were at before their breakouts. Which here's our Discord community. Everybody eats. Link is below in the description and pinned in the top of the chat. But if I was to scroll through some of the channels, like let's just say hot stocks, which ironically on the hot stocks, I was saying how I'm not bearish on this stock, but I am waiting to see if we are going to lose $7.90 tomorrow or anytime this month in the month of November. And if I was to pull up the chart, you will see that, like I say, we ran up as high as 16, 17 bucks. I think we basically went damn near high as $18 on this stock from the run up around this range, like I stated, around this $8.35, $8.50 range from that prior video that I made, actually somewhere around here in the first week of October. And if I was to scroll back in the option plays channel to the beginning of October, let's see, nope, that's November. I don't know. It's gonna be a while. I probably should have just typed it in because we be knocking out some bangers in the Discord community for sure, for sure. But Duolingo. Oh, I forgot about this put. Boy, that put had to print. 310 put 1121. Catalyst driven, high risk, high reward. Definitely had to print. I should have just typed it in. To keep be honest with you, Grab. Wonder what Grab is doing. If anybody know what Grab doing, leave a comment below. Let me know what Grab looking like. You know what? Let me just type it in real quick. Oh, actually, this why we couldn't find it. I actually posted it in the general chat section, which is the free section for the Discord community. Links below in the description, and pinned in the top of the chat. Well, now that section is $10 a month, but I posted there a $10 call option for March 20th, 2026 at $1.74. Ideal entry was $1.60, and then shortly after, obviously, I believe that contract went. I can't recall how high those contracts went. I just know for a fact that if I was to go to everybody eating somewhere around here in the channel, everybody eating, I think I made an update on this here. Let's see. Here we go, my man right here. Half mine had jumped in and was up 26% on those option plays, but I believe they went up as high as uh let's see. Yeah, everybody be eating in the Discord. Like I say, link below in the description and pinned in the top of the chat. But where we at with it? Where we at? What day we at? 10:15. Well, I know I believe that even shortly after, matter of fact, it was recently. No, that's for Lumen, $8 call option up. Lumen, NVTS. So here we go. $4.80 on October 10th when we grabbed those call options. And then here they were still up at $8.48 on October 29th. So a month later, these were still up 83%. And this is after the stock had pulled back, as you can see, to $13.57. But we got out of these once we ended up losing like $12 and I think it was like, let's just say around 13 bucks. We closed the rest of those contracts and got out of those. So, like I say, here we are on the daily time frame and going down to, let's just say, the 1 hour time frame, and let's reset this chart a tad bit. So here on the 1 hour time frame, if you guys see, we are now sitting right on top of that $8.84 zone. And here we are around that breakout area back around October 6th or whatnot when I had told them in the Discord community about this stock, which we had that resistance or that line in the sand around that $8.37. So if we lose this 884, that's where I want to see how price action is around 806 to 837. You see right beneath that in that close zone, let's go ahead and go down to the 30-minute time frame. You see right beneath that 806, we got that 792. That's the range I'm talking about, seeing if we're going to be able to hold. If we lose 790, then I'm looking at 758. If not, let's just say this range between 682 and 739. That's a nice little sniper fair value gap. I believe we discussed this area in that prior video. Let's just zoom back a bit. So yeah, that is that sniper fair value gap where we actually wanted to get some more price action in because we had gaps down here as well around that 650, 630 zone. So we ideally can pull back down to these levels. I'm still am not really bearish on this stock, and I am not trying to put any fear out there, but we also cannot forget this crazy gap down here between that $3 range and $5 range that we talked about in that prior video. But that's what I have for you guys on ticker symbol NVTS. Be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and share this video out to your people, especially if they are watching this stock. But thank you guys. Much love. Take care. We out.